Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Runner 57 YouTube channel. As we discussed yesterday, we are going to be doing some tree trimming today. So you may hear Polly barking in the background. I got the dog in the garage for the next, we'll give it 45 minutes or so, and then we'll shut down and let her out again, so on and so forth throughout the day in order to allow her to go potty. But I don't want to drop a tree on her. So we're going to go ahead and hop up in this tree, get all these limbs trimmed out. Let's get this thing warmed up and we'll be back when we're up there. You cold-blooded sucker. I don't know that I can boom out enough to reach this. I may have to move at some point. Yeah, I'm gonna wind up having to reposition at some point today. Out of truck. Swing over and see if we can nip up some of them. We're at max pollen. We're currently at max extension, so we're probably gonna have to reposition at some point here. That's apparently as far as we can swing that way. Oh, that's awesome. All right, we're definitely gonna have to do some repositioning. Let's spin around and see what I can grab over there. But this is as far as I'm gonna get this way. All right, guys, we are back in position. We're out over here at the tree we need to top. So looking at it, I don't know how much reach I'm gonna have. We'll see how much I can do up there to take the top down. But for now, let's get this first limb out of here. You freaking suck. Go up. Do some nibble nipping up here and get rid of some of this. Yeah. All right, let's go down and nibble that all the way back per the original plan. The controls being backwards on this drive me fucking bonkers. All right, nibble, nip, nibble, nip. We're just gonna continue working our way through this thing. So there's that. For one Widowmaker, I gotta swing over there and grab quick. Got caught on the way down. Swing over here and nip this little sucker, get it out of the way. Go down. There we go, much better. I'm gonna wind up having to relocate a few times, I think. Which is what it is. I don't know how high this thing's really gonna reach. We're gonna see. From the looks of it, rather than swinging out wide to get this sucker, I think I can take it right as it stands, and we're gonna let it swing down. It looks like it's nowhere near the house. So that's what we're gonna do. Come on down slow. There it goes. That was easy. All right. That big sucker's gonna suck. Let's swing over here and nibble on some of these little guys. Yep, I can nip this, that, reach up, nip that, and then take this down. All right, let's go up again. That's all we got. Well, that'll make this interesting. Just one limb I'm worried about. I don't know if I can reach. We're gonna have to do a tie off on it and pull it away from me. What I'll do is I'll have Junior come in and we'll tie off up here. And then I'll cut a little wedge on the one side and have him pull it that way. The rest of this though, pretty good. Friggin' stick. You just don't want to nudge. Perfect. All right. Let's max everything. We can reach everything we need to reach. Nervous shit up here. Anyway. Alright, now we can start migrating downwardish. So that's everything I got, and I ain't gonna be able to get that one the way I want to get it. We'll have to do some trickery on that one. Anyway. Oop, nope, down. Nope, I'm all the way up. Alright, do a little nibbling here. starting to gather some big branch chunks here, so. Down we go again. Oop, not up, down. Backwards ass controls to me. Oop, boom in a little bit. All right. That one's out, that one's out. Boom in. All right, nip this up a little bit. Down we go. Go ahead and nip this off the backside. Breeze coming up now. Now the question is, can we reach that branch over there that we need to reach? Why are you so shaky? Go with the shaky business. Oh yeah, we can reach this one. We did a pretty good job on limbing that one out. Oh, we can't reach the part I want to reach, but we can reach a lot of it. Nip up some of this crap. Well, we can't reach what we want to reach. I want to get in there. So we're gonna have to reposition anyway. Can I reach back here? Or am I needing to spin 180? I can reach a lot of back here actually. So we just need to spin 180. All right, so I'm gonna start cleaning that mess up and we'll come back when we're getting ready to do more. Well, that was interesting, and a lot of progress was made. Actually, it took me less time to cut all this than it has to clean it up so far, but we've cleaned up a lot. Polly's out here chilling. She's getting some exercise. She's gonna have to get locked back up here shortly. I've got to finish picking up all this crap, and then we're going to hook up to the boom lift, drive out around the block, and drive in with it. I was hoping to do all this reversed in. I can't reverse that corner tight enough without hitting either a tree or house. So we're gonna go ahead and drive in with it, and we're gonna set it up right there. That should allow me access to that entire limb up there. We'll get that cut out, and then we will stop, reposition again, and go at the big one. Once that big top's down, I'm good. That big top's a ways up there. Trust me, when you're up there, it's sketchy. She's shaky. Well, I didn't catch that on tape, but we got the top down. What? That was sketchy. I'm on video. Sketchy. I had Junior pull with a rope. So we're gonna limb this, chunk this out, and get out of here. sketchy shit right now. Shit, it's recording now. Well, that's not good. That means I probably lost most of that, but whatever. That's it. She down. That is a very pissed off squirrel. Do you believe we're either out of gas or my air filter's plugged? So there's a perfectly sleepy squirrel in here that I just disturbed, and it was perfectly content. There's no babies, that's good. I did this early enough for the season to avoid them, but she won't get out. Well guys, that was a blast. We're actually on our way now to go drop the boom back off at Sunbelt. It was useful at a couple sketchy moments. When you're way up max tension and it yells at you that you're tipping, it's kind of annoying because it won't let you go back down. Sketchy. But we got that done. Now for the actual event of the weekend. Watch for this video coming probably not tomorrow, but the next day, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. We are going to King of the Crown. You know the event, I've run it before. It's been on this channel before. We're going to be running King of the Crown in Pro ET and Street ET on the Booza. We have not changed fuel pump. We will not be running nitrous. These are bracket races. I'm consistent on motor. Nitrous is generally not that consistent unless you fill the bottle every time. So we're going to go out there. We're going to probably dial in at 660. We'll see. Today is King of the Crown first day, but it's just setting up camp and a $100 test session. I'm not going to spend $100 on a test session. I could pack up right now and fly to Lassiter. Don't see a point in that. It'd be $20 to test, but it'd also be $40 to drive there, and it just ain't worth it. So we're going to go ahead and relax for the evening. Might swing over there and buy my tech cards quick while I'm all the way over there already. And then we'll go over there tomorrow. $75 to test, still expensive, We'll test. If they're going to do any qualifying, we'll qualify. They're doing 16 bikes. I don't know if they're going to have to qualify, but we'll do it. And then we'll go ahead and line up on Sunday and run for some money here, guys. See if we can't make some money with Dragonfly. She's already been making money. This would be substantial. Thanks for watching.